Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise poem 6 Trains from class 3 NCERT book Marigold. Let's start the poem 6 Trains. Let's start the poem Trains. Over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Here, over the mountain, that means through the mountain. Over the plains, that means through the plains. Over the river, that means through the rivers. Here come the train come here. That means the trains pass through mountain, plains and rivers, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Carrying passengers, that means the train are carrying passengers and also carrying mails, bringing their precious loads. The trains are bringing their precious loads in without fail. In without fail, that means without mistake, without delay. He always comes with carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads without delay. He always comes on their time. They carry passenger, mail and precious things of people. The trains carry passengers, mail and precious things of people. Train comes, trains pass through mountain, plains and rivers. They carry, that means the train carry passengers, mail and also precious things of people. So the trains are important means of transport. The train always comes on their time. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. This poem is written by James S. Tippett. Thousands of freight car, that means number of trains who carrying loads. Rushing on, that means passing, running on. Through day and darkness. That means evening or also morning. So dusk and dawn. Dusk, that means evening, and dawn, that means early morning. The train who carry loads, the train which carry loads are running through the day and also darkness, through dusk and dawn. There are number of trains who carrying our loads are passing, rushing on from morning to evening, over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers. Here come the trains. All the trains are passed through mountain, plains and rivers. They carrying passengers, mail and precious things of people. Thousands of freight cars are rushing on from morning to evening. So the trains are most important means of transport according to the poem and also today. This poem is written by James S. Tippett. Now, here in this poem, mountain means a mass of land rising to a great height. Plain, that means level land. Mountain, that means pahad. Plains, that means samtal bhumi. Rivers, that means a running water body. In Hindi, that means nadi. Passengers, that means people who travelled by trains, buses, etc. Shortly, it is yatri. Gan, mail, that means लेटर्स, जिसको हिंदी में चिट्ठियाँ कहते हैं. प्रेसियस, दैट मीन्स वेरी वैल्यूएबल. लोड्स, डिफरेंट थिंग्स. फ्रेट कार्स, दैट मीन्स ट्रेन्स कैरिंग लोड्स. Freight cars, that means trains carrying loads. Rushing, that means running. Dusk, that means evening. Dawn, that means early morning. Dusk is the time when the sun is going to set, and dawn, that means is the time when we see the first light of the day. Okay, my dear. New words here: mountains, passengers, rivers, precious, mail, plains, dusk and dawn. All the meaning of words we we learn through the poem. Repeat again, my dear. Mountain, that means a mouse of land rising to a great height. Plains, that means leveled land. Rivers, that means a running water body. Passengers, that means people who travel by trains. Buses, etc. Mail, that means letters. Precious, that means valuable. Loads, that means different things. हिंदी में जिसको सामान बोलते हैं. Freight cars, that means trains carrying loads. Dusk, that means evening. Dawn, that means early morning. Now I hope that you have learned this poem, The Train, very well, and I hope that you will write down the question, answer and meaning of the words which are given after this video. Thank you very much.